Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name's Strober, also known as Gareth, and for those who know me, then you will know that recently I've been taking up videos. Now, making videos, I've learned that one of the important features within the video is the sound. So what I've done today is I've been down to Maplins and I've bought myself some new lapel mics. These are the microphones here to clip onto your tie or to any part of your clothing. And I've actually got three different microphones on me today. I've got one microphone which I got from eBay for £3.23. I've got another smaller microphone which I got from Maplin, which is £19.99. And then I've got an even bigger microphone which also cost me £19.99. So what I want to do today is I want to test the audio features of all these microphones. I'll be recording to the Zoom H2 sound recorder. All the settings are the same, so you'll hear the differences between the microphones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to read extracts from a book that I was going to be writing about the English Defence League, which I've actually not got around to finish. But anyway, I got to interview I got to interview one of the EDL members via their website online. Please note, I attended EDL demonstrations as a photographer, also known as a journalist. So don't start thinking that I'm a naughty boy when I'm not. Anyway, moving on. This is the 3.29 microphone from eBay. So here we go. Here's my first question to the EDL member. Has loyalist paramilitaries had an influence in any way with regards to the EDL? Example, I see that the Ulster war cry is used in EDL's uniform, i.e. no surrender. EDL spokesperson. Loyalist paramilitaries haven't directly had an influence on the English Defence League, although many supporters of the EDL feel they are connected to the loyalist roots which were set by the UDA and UVF. You will find that no surrender is one of the many loyalist phrases used whilst IOA were attacking England, as extremism is a growing problem with planned terrorist attacks, one of which was executed by Al-Qaeda. Therefore, it seems sensible to use the same phrase that was used the last time we had a fight against terrorism. So there you go, there was the 3.29 microphone from eBay. Now let me switch over to my next microphone. See you in a minute. Welcome back YouTube. So now I've switched microphones. I've switched to the smallest microphone I've got and I've connected it to my Zoom H2. All the settings are the same, so let's crack on and she'll see what the sound quality is of this microphone. Question 2. How does the EDL plan to achieve its goals? Does these plans involve using violence, or are they really peaceful plans? EDL spokesperson. The English Defence League does not condone violence whatsoever. We plan to achieve our goals through peaceful protests in major UK cities. We hope that this will alert people to the problems we are facing on a national scale. The plan is to rid Britain's streets of extremist Muslims such as hmmm Chowdhury. Okay YouTube, I'm going to move on to my final and last microphone. Okay YouTube, welcome back again. This is my very last microphone. It's another £19.99 microphone which I got from Maplins. Going to test the sound quality. You probably hear it by now. This microphone, to be honest, is not exactly my favourite microphone. I feel it's slightly inferior to the other two, which is surprising because the very first one cost £3.29. But anyway, crack on. Question 3. What will happen if the EDL What will happen if the EDL fails to achieve its goals? will plans of violence be used? The EDL spokesperson. I don't think that the EDL can lose at the end of the day. We are going to fight until the end. Most members of the EDL were members of other organisations until we were formed. This will keep going until the end. If the government decide that we are a threat and decide we are to be banned from protesting, etc., we will form a plan of action. So what I'm trying to say is we will cross that bridge when/if we come to it. Okay, YouTube, to summarise, I've just gone through 3 microphones. The first one, again, was the cheapo from eBay, $3.29. The second one was the $19.99 mic from Maplins. And the third one, which is this one, is also a $19.99 mic from Maplins. So there you go, you've heard the sound quality, and I'll leave it with you.